Hi, today I am gonna make Frobscottle from the BFG. So we need a blender, a cup and a spoon. The ingredients we need are 3 kiwis peeled, 20 grams of sugar, 10 milliliters of lemon juice, 1 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Now I'm gonna make it. First, we put the drinking water into the blender carefully. Then add the green kiwi sensibly. Next, add the sweet sugar into the blender. After that, gently pour the fresh lemon juice. Finally, mix the yummy honey into the mixture. Now we are ready to blend it. Eventually, we put 1 drop of the green food coloring. So now we are going to pour it into the cup. Frobscottle is ready. Enak.